Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a bunch of new stuff. If I remember, this is the last one from a while ago and I never got to open it. A wireless shortcut remote by XP Pen. And it doesn't tell much else other than Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10 or later, and Linux cable and dongle means no Bluetooth. Na 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 na. Well then. And ooh. Wireless shortcut remote. So this is supposed to help me edit my videos. Working time, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. For the device or for your company, I do not know. Okay, so before we open that, we have a USB dongle. We have a wow, it's USB-C. Awesome. Any other things in the box? Feel like it wants to come out, so I'm guessing nope. Nope, I don't feel anything. Okay, user information, your name, these are all your different buttons to put there, I'm guessing. Oh, there's two sides. It's a double-sider. Or is it? Oh, it's folding. Lulz. Okay, here's your shortcuts. This is your warranty card. Not your warranty policy. Cosmetic damage, warranty coverage, blah, blah, blah. Quick guide. English, only in 3 pages. Overview. So you have the indicator light. Blue means flashing slowly, flashing quickly, waiting for Bluetooth on. Successfully paired, always on for 30 seconds and then off. In red, status, battery low. Always on, charging off, fully charged. Purple color indicates that the red and blue indicator are both on simultaneously. 3 is the roller. Roller switch key, long press, and then enter Bluetooth pairing. Yes, K1 is K11. 4 customizable groups of 10 keys. So 40 shortcut keys. You can disable them if you don't need them. One group is enabled by default. K1 is the toggle key. Accessories, remote, wired connection, wireless connection with the Bluetooth receiver, direct Bluetooth. So you can do direct Bluetooth or wireless. Support system. Bluetooth receiver or wired connections, Windows 7. Direct Bluetooth connection, Windows 10 or later. Mac or later, Linux. Connected directly to the computer, and you have to download the driver yourself. And that's it. We have... That's your switch. That's your roller. This is that. There's that. USB. Your button. Look at that. This has already got my greasy nubs on it. On. Bluetooth. Okay. So we're going to leave this for a bit, and I'm going to come back with the driver. Okay, so now I've had to bring out my lappy, and we're going to see if we can download our app. Okay, so what we're going to do is xp-pen.com, and we're going to see, okay, go bold, be real. We're going to get drivers, because it's struggling to get the internet. Nope, there it is. Popular products. Drivers download. I'm looking for ACK05. Oh, there it is. Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so I guess it would be this one. 29 megabytes. Okay. Now, where the real fun would come in. And it's a zip file. So let's get this open. And we're going to plug that in. Could also plug it in that way. So depending on how you want to do it, plug it into our lappy. Setting up of device. Shortcut remote. Oh, I said shortcut. It should be shortcut. Oh, it says it's ready. Okay, so we're gonna install this. Of course we have to do this. Please all open painting software and antivirus. That's fine. Whatever, gonna have to do. Okay, hold on. Let's see custom. Oh, that's fine. Install. Dream brave and true. Your XP pen. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to restart. Okay, so now we're here. We're gonna click on this thing. Okay, so rotation. You can do it that way. You can do it that way. You can do it that way. No settings. Prompt, shortcut keys, feedback. I guess I would just tell them how it is. Export config. PCFG is your pen tablet config file. Mouse control, other, run application, dual function, F5, see zoom, key group switching, set preview, F5, control S, control shift Z, space, control Z, shift, control, alt. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open up Shortcut. This is my video editing software. I see this little icon, Windows Ink Work. Oh, that's for this thing. That's never come up before. 4 different shortcut variations. So there's your 40 buttons. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so we're going to open a file. We'll pick one of my old videos. And we're going to drag this here. We're going to see what this does. So this one, key group switching. Set preview, F5. That's basically refresh. This is save. So space, obviously, if you used to YouTube, space would be your start stop. Zoom would be your timeline. Okay, so let's just see if we can correct that. Okay, so zoom, no. Brush size, no. Rotate, no. Roll. No, customize does. Add special buttons. We'll just leave it that. And hit scroll. Now go back here. See if we can scroll. So scrolling doesn't do anything. Brush size and try that. How do I scrub? Undo. Play. Maybe redo. Shift. No, I don't want that. So if I wanted this, this would be other. So we'll hit this. So that splits it, so that's fine. Control S. Nope. Okay. Forward is this. Scroll up. Okay, so we'll go to the beginning. Stay here. My controller. So I can do that. If I want this one. Okay, that. Oh, there we go. We can step that. Maybe we can do something with this one. Customize. See if that works. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. And then I can cut. Then I gotta find delete. Delete erases. Okay, you know what? I did that. Control Z. Middle one can be delete. This doesn't need to be delete. It needs to be the letter D. The D. It's all about the D. Okay, now we're gonna try. Oh, that's okay. I did that wrong. So this has to be X. Hey, there we go. So we have split, delete, we'll cut, and we can go this way. And we can go this way. Going backwards is hard on this because it'll just be like, ugh. But going forward is easy. But the only thing is that there's no actual mouse pad here. But, so that's undo, that's play, and that's it, I guess. So for now, I guess 1 is fine. Now that's with it direct connect. Now, let's see if we can get the Bluetooth on it. Turn on the Bluetooth, add Bluetooth device. So we'll disconnect it. Dear XP Pen users, hello, please connect the device first. So now we're going to try and Bluetooth. Let's say Bluetooth on. Desktop. Okay. Turn on add Bluetooth. Search the device name and complete Bluetooth. Blue indicator. The indicator will be on. Long press the K11. Well, it's not doing it normal Bluetooth mode. Give me my device. So we're gonna try the dongle. The dongle. Just turn Bluetooth off then in that case. So now I can do all of this wirelessly. So, look, wireless now. Look at that. So that works beautifully. Close. No, I do not want to save it. Okay. So that's it for the XP remote. I would say I'm going to love editing with this thing now. And I guess the Bluetooth dongle can stay there. And that's it. Off you go. Now, I'm going to have to move this out of my way. There you go. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll definitely be updating you on either these things or something else I'll get to. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good night.